Radhika, make a one for you. Make a one new one for you. What did the mommy cow? What did the mommy cow tell the baby cow?
It's past your bedtime. Look, lay down, shut down and sleep.
Radhika?
Credit is not what you look like. I can explain. The man there.
Radhika!
The man there.
Radhika!
That be dramatic, man. Credit and overreaction. The man they come to fix up a bed post.
Look, Radhika, don't tell me nonsense, Radhika. What me want to know, Radhika, is what he doing with me and my land of milk. It's proper things. This is real milk, Radhika. Look, it says here in the box. Pure and natural. This and them reconstitutional milk was sell all over the place.
I'm reconstituted, you mean?
Hey, not correct me. Me finish high school, 25th in me class.
I don't buy back your milk. A whole case for you.
Eh? When you miss that so all the time?
Amerlander milk is made from real cow's milk and not from milk solids. It's available in both full cream and low fat. Available at supermarkets nationwide. The only choice for smart shoppers. Amerlander, real cow's milk.